Check it out, guys. Trying a new chin mount location. Justin and I are ripping around right now, testing out our bikes. So if you guys watched the live stream last night, you can probably hear them. But last night we did the entire top end live on YouTube. So you guys can go watch that if you want. It's long. It's like 4 hours long. But I port matched the cylinder. We installed the cylinder and started all in that video. And today we're just ripping around, making sure that things work. Justin's out on his quad right now.
This was good.
See, we can't be doing this shit at my house. The front end comes up, no problem, man.
Compared to the old one, you couldn't do that. You couldn't ride it like that before.
Yeah, dude, you're like ripping it up out there. He's got the stage 5s he just put on.
Don't want to idle for some reason.
You said it was low on gas, and then what did you have to put it on reserve?
The choke's on. That's why.
clutch is way smoother.
What?
Way smoother.
Yeah.
So this is a 390. This definitely has way more bottom end. I can feel more power like right off the bat. Like the bottom end is really, really...
It's really good.
Yeah.
It's good everywhere.
And your shift's a lot better.
Right?
I really like your clutch.
The clutch pull is the way to go.
Yeah, yeah.
That red clutch is money. Thing sounds nasty.
Yeah, this thing pulls, man. Yeah, man, this thing bogies, holy shit.
Yeah, dude, you see, like, it doesn't matter. You could be in the wrong gear, and it just pulls.
You have a tilt?
Yeah, just the tether.
Did Arlen mod your transmission?
It's got his full set of LED gears in it, yes.
Oh, yeah, because there's no doubt. I mean, mine doesn't shift bad.
Yeah?
But this shifts way better. You probably think mine feels like shit because this is just so much better. I don't know if it's the clutch. Justin just upgraded to a Recluse clutch. You had the Neil's
clutch mod, and the pull was just too much.
Yeah, this pull is easier, but also your shifter is like butter. Like it's just very. Mine feels good. Like it's notchy. Like it's got a positive feel. But yours, it's way smoother.
Yeah. What do you think of her though?
It's got a lot of torque, and like I was letting off every time the front wheels came up, but even it's got like really good roll-on power.
Yes, like just you could just and it just pulls.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a beast.
This is going to be an animal in the dunes for sure, because this has like excessive power. You know what I mean? Like you got to let off.
Yes.
But in the dunes, I feel like you can really open it up.
Yeah, that's why I've been saying I wanted a guy to come ride it around a motocross track, because I don't think a lot of them have felt power like this. Not in a long time.
No, this feels really cool. And yours is a little more stable too. This is wider. Mine's as wide as you can go pretty much with the factory stuff.
Yeah.
These Lobo arms are definitely wider. I was looking at it compared to mine.
Yeah, how do you feel like it handles around?
It's pretty stable.
Yeah, it's real stable.
And if it was on dirt, it'd be even better, because I didn't want to like shred the tires.
Oh, dude, it's all right.
But you know what I mean? On dirt, you'll be able to whip it really, really easy.
Well, that's cool. I mean, dude, like usually I'm riding it, and then to tell you, like, when you go out there and just roll on the power, dude, it sounds so awesome going down the road. I never get to hear it because I'm always wearing a helmet, and you never can hear it. You know what I'm saying? That's part of the fun.
I'm going to pull it back where it was. I want to see side by side. You'll see how much wider.
All right, cool, man.
I think it is anyway.
Yeah, no,